Hey, I'm Daniel, and today we're going to be talking about Ekena Millwork's line of faux wood mantles. Real wood mantles have been around for a long time, but if you don't want the trouble of sourcing like a reclaimed timber farmhouse mantle, we came up with a perfect solution for you. We make a full line of lightweight, fake wood mantles. We've got them in 8 different textures, from real deep, detailed textures like this rough sawn one, to smooth and subtle textures, and we've got everything in between. For colors, we've got 47 different colors, from a single solid tone color to 2-tone colors, kind of like this one here. You've got both white and a dark color right there, to a gel coat, which makes it look like a real wood beam, and it really makes the textures pop. We offer these in a ton of different sizes, any size that you would want. Now on our website and in our catalog, we do have standard sizes. We've got sizes like 4 inches by 4 inches, 6 by 6, 8 by 8, 10 inches by 10 inches. In terms of length, we do standard sizes, 3 foot long, 4 foot long, 5 foot long, all the way up to 6 or 7 foot long. But if none of those sizes work for you, we can do virtually any size that you want. I know that we've seen some big mantles like this one that are 8 inches by 10 inches by over 6 feet long. How you install these things is really, really easy. They're super lightweight, as you can see. So what you want to do is take your wall, put some 2x4 blocking on it like that, and you're going to take this, cap it off like that, and you're just going to nail with the nail gun in from the top and the bottom, and it'll make it nice and secure. For a little extra strength, you can add a screw every couple feet, and it gives it that strength, so you don't have to worry about it if you put something on top. As I mentioned before, for finishes, we do have 47 different finishes. But what we came to find out is some people don't find any of our finishes perfect for exactly them. So we've got a couple customers that order our unfinished mantles on a regular basis. That way they can paint it exactly how they want it, or have it match their cabinets or their trim in their house. That way they can get it project perfect just for them. For more interesting and innovative product lines like this one, feel free to check out our website or give us a call today.